From my AI Modeling Mentor Library. Chapter 1. AI Modeling Project, RDBMS, AI-DNN, and Python Libraries. In the context of Python and data analysis, a data frame in Pandas is like a supercharged spreadsheet or a fancy table on steroids. It's a two-dimensional data structure that stores information in rows and columns, but with some powerful features that go beyond what a basic spreadsheet can do. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Here's a breakdown of what makes data frames special. Structure. Rows and columns. Data is organized in rows and columns, just like a spreadsheet. Each row represents a data point, and each column represents a specific variable or attribute associated with that data point. Labeled axes. Both rows and columns have labels, making it easier to identify and access specific data. Heterogeneous data. Unlike spreadsheets, data frames can hold different data types in different columns. You can have numbers, text, dates, booleans, and even more complex data types all within the same data frame. Functionality. Indexing and selection. You can easily select specific rows, columns, or groups of data based on various criteria or conditions. Data manipulation. Data frames offer various methods for cleaning, sorting, aggregating, and analyzing data. You can calculate statistics, perform operations on columns, and even merge multiple data frames together. Visualization. Pandas makes it easy to visualize your data through built-in plotting functions. You can create histograms, bar charts, scatter plots, and other visualizations to explore patterns and relationships within your data. Think of Pandas data frames. Imagine a spreadsheet where each cell can hold different types of data, and you have superpowers to manipulate, analyze, and visualize that data with just a few lines of code. That's the essence of Pandas data frames. Panda in this context refers to the Pandas library in Python, which provides tools and functions for working with data, and data frames are one of its core data structures. Data storage. Pandas data frames reside in memory, making them ideal for quick exploration and interactive analysis of smaller data sets. In summary, choose Pandas data frames for rapid data exploration, interactive analysis, smaller data sets, and convenience. Choose RDBMS for persistent data storage, large data sets, data integrity, security, and scalability. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and the nature of your data. You can even use both tools together, leveraging Pandas for data exploration and preparation, and then storing the processed data in an RDBMS for long-term storage and access. Our methodology which we are using for AI modeling. RDBMS, AI-DNN, and Python libraries. That completely makes sense. Having your expertise in RDBMS shapes your perspective on data manipulation and analysis. It's fantastic that you can leverage that experience to understand the strengths and limitations of Pandas data frames compared to what you're familiar with. Combining experience in AI and DNN model design with Pandas and RDBMS for I/O operations positions you for some exciting work in the data science field. Understanding both the intricacies of AI models and the efficient data handling capabilities of Pandas and RDBMS gives you a well-rounded skill set for tackling complex data pipelines and building robust AI systems.